This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Lately, I've been getting into digital art and I've been using this xppen magic pad. Xpen was kind enough to send it to me and honestly, I've been loving it. It's super convenient since it's a standalone tablet, so I can just bring it anywhere and draw whenever I want. I'm using Clips to paint by the way, and it works so smoothly on this tablet. What surprised me about this is that I thought it would only be for drawing or note-taking, but it's actually like a regular tablet. You can download apps, it has a camera, and pretty much all the stuff you'd expect on a normal tablet. It even comes with a smart keyboard that you can just attach whenever you need to type something, and it works really well. My favorite thing though is the pencil. It's thinner than other xpen pens, which I love, and it doesn't need charging or batteries. The tablet itself is super light, thin, and portable. It fits perfectly in a small bag, so it's great for when I'm out and about. Squarespace makes website creation simple with two options: for design templates or full creative control. Templates give you a quick start with ready-made layouts and design elements you can tweak to fit your needs. But if you prefer to start from scratch, Squarespace lets you customize everything: layouts, fonts, colors, you name it, and you can always adjust things later. What really stood out to me was their fluid engine. It's not just basic drag and drop, it's a powerful tool that lets you fine-tune every design element from desktop to mobile super easily. If this sounds like your thing, you can try Squarespace for free at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, head to squarespace.com/pateseich to save 10% off your first website or domain purchase. A big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.